Hi there, this is new Aero Carbon Electric Road Bike Frame FM406. It is used FSA rear motor and integrated battery. The seat post is Aero designed with hidden clamp. The head tube bearing size is 52 mm. The rear spacing is 135 mm with quick released. It is flat mount disc brake front and rear. The bottom bracket is BB86. The max tire is 700C*35 mm. The weight of the frame is 1,350 grams. The frame set includes frame, fork posts, integrated bar, fork spacers, axles and headset. We have 4 sizes for this model. And we have stock. If you want samples, please contact us. L frames will do stiffness test before packing, and we have done 130% higher ISO 4210 standard test. We can customize painting design for you. Just tell us your painting color and decals. We can deliver the goods in 60 days for 200 sets.